Hi guys, welcome to AL-Bayt Resources. If you are not aware, the King AbdulAziz University Scholarships are currently open to international students. It is a fully funded scholarship for diploma courses, undergraduates, masters, and PhD degrees. The scholarships is available to all nationalities, and Muslims are not the only ones who can apply. In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step process to apply for the scholarship, what benefits you will receive, the courses they offer, the required documents, and how to fill out the online application form. Before I proceed, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscription button, because in this channel, we teach people how they can apply for scholarship abroad without paying a dime. Also, like the video and turn on notification bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, then you'll be notified. Let me quickly give you a summary about the university. The King AbdulAziz University is a public university in Saudi Arabia. The university was founded in 1967 by the late King AbdulAziz Al Saud in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. According to 2022 World University Ranking List, the King AbdulAziz University is the #1 university in Saudi Arabia and the 106th position in the world. The university offers various scholarships for academically talented students with good grades. The university also offers a variety of jobs to students who want to work while they study, to earn some money and gain experience. Let me quickly mention the benefits. Number 1, receiving new students at the airport. Upon your arrival at the Jeddah airport in Saudi Arabia, there will be a school representative on the ground who will receive you and then take you to the school hostel. Number 2 benefit is a 2-month stipend as a preparation allowance upon your arrival. It means that in case you want to buy 1 or 2 things you think it is necessary to get before the commencement of the class, a 2-month allowance will be given to you. Number 3 benefit is free tuition. It means that you are not going to pay any money for the duration of your program at the school. Number 4 benefit is monthly stipend. You will receive a monthly stipend or monthly allowance for your upkeeping. So if you need to buy any food, or if you need to buy food, clothes, etc., you do not need to call your parents at home. This money will be enough to take care of your monthly needs. Number 5 benefit is online campus housing. Free student housing will be provided for the duration of your study. Number 7 benefit, an annual 2-way air ticket at the end of each academic year. It means that at the end of each academic year, they will give you a air ticket for you to go home if you want. Then you will return back a month or 2 months before the commencement of the new section. So this air ticket is free. You don't need to pay any money. Number 8 benefit is distinction allowance for outstanding students. When a student achieves high academic achievement, he or she is given awards and distinction in the form of money to encourage him or her to keep up the excellent work. Number 9 benefit is employment offers for scholarship students. King AbdulAziz University provide a wide range of job opportunities for all students. Their students are allowed to apply for jobs in teaching, research, administrative departments, and outside campus job. This opportunity does not in any way affect the monthly stipend he or she receives from the school. Number 10 benefit is bringing student families if they wish. Married students are allowed to invite their wives and children to join them in Saudi Arabia, but they must follow the procedure laid down by the school authority. Number 11 benefit is 3 months graduation allowance for achievement of books. It means that when you finish your study, you will receive money to ship your books and your belongings back home. This sum is equivalent to the 3-month stipend you are receiving from the school. Then the last benefit is they offer subsidized meals. The student administration subsidize the meals served in the school restaurant at a affordable price. So you don't need to use a lot of money to buy food. Your food has been subsidized. Let's take a look at the courses they offer. King AbdulAziz University has a mixed gender policy where both male and female students are allowed to take the same courses. To avoid any awkward movement, they were given lectures in a different class. It means that male students are attending class in different buildings while female students are attending their classes in different buildings. So it is not the first time that King AbdulAziz University has been in the headline with regard to gender equality. They were also praised for being one of the first Saudi universities to allow female students to study engineering. This is the list of male undergraduate courses. Just go through it, choose the one you like or you wish to study, then you can apply. This is the list of female undergraduate courses. If you are a female, then you just need to go through it. If you find anyone you're interested, then just choose it and apply for it. This is the list of both male and female undergraduate courses. This list, it means that the courses here, both male and female are studying these courses listed here. But it doesn't mean that they are attending the class in the same place. No, both are attending class in different places. So check it. If you are interested in any of the courses here, then you can apply. Here is the list of master's degree courses. If you are going for master's course, then just check. Here is the list of PhD degree courses. Then check it if you are applying for PhD. Let's take a look at the undergraduate required documents. To apply for undergraduate course, then number 1, you need to fill an online application form. Then the second, you need to provide scanned copy of your international passport. Number 3, you need to provide secondary school or high school certificates. The next one, the secondary school certificate must not be older than 3 years. It means that the year you graduated from your high school should not be more than 3 years. Then the next is that the age for undergraduates should not be lesser than 17 years or more than 25 years. It means that before you can qualify to apply for undergraduate, you should be 17 years or not more than 25 years. If you are 16 years, you cannot apply. If you are 26 years, then you cannot apply for undergraduate. Let's move on. Then the student must be physically fit. It means that you must be physically fit. A female student must be accompanied by a relative. It can be a husband, parents, siblings, uncle, auntie, or any family member whom Sharia does not allow to marry her. Then let's take a look at postgraduate required documents. Number 1, you need to fill an online application form. The next one, you need to provide a scanned copy of your international passport. The next one, master applicants must not be older than 30 years of age. It means that if you are lesser than 30 years, then you can apply. If you are 30 years of age, you can apply. If you are 31, then you cannot apply for master's degree at King AbdulAziz University. The next one, PhD applicants must not be older than 35 years of age. It also means that below 35, you can apply, or if you are 35, you can apply. But if you are 36 years of age, then you cannot apply for PhD at King AbdulAziz University. Then the next requirement, undergraduate degree certificate and transcript for master's applicant. It means that you must provide a scanned copy of your undergraduate degree and scanned copy of a transcript if you are applying for master's degree. And your certificates, both certificate and transcript, must be certified from Saudi Arabia Embassy in your country. Then the next one is master's degree certificate and transcript for PhD applicants. It means that if you are applying for PhD, you need to provide your master's degree certificate and your master's degree transcripts and must be satisfied from Saudi Arabia Embassy in your country. The next one is that you must provide a curriculum vitae, which is CV. The next one is that you must provide 2 recommendation letters from your professor. The next one is that you must provide English language proficiency certificate. Now I'll show you how to apply for the scholarship. To apply to King AbdulAziz University, you need to come to this website. I will leave the link in the video description. Then just scroll down. You can read all the information about the university. So continue scrolling down. So if you want to apply for diploma course, you need to click here. This page will open. You can see diploma in Arabic for speakers of other language. Then scroll down. You can read all the required documents or the procedure. If you want to apply for the diploma, you need to click here. Another page will open. I'll show you later. So to apply for undergraduate, you need to come here. You click undergraduate. You can see undergraduate program. Just scroll down. These are the courses you can apply to. Just continue scrolling down. Continue scrolling down. And then you can see require entry requirements. You just need to go through it. Then if you want to apply, you need to click apply now. Then another page will open, which I will show you later. Then to apply for postgraduate, you need to click here. This page will open graduate programs. If you want to apply for PhD, you need to click here. If you're applying for masters, you need to click here. Then this page will open. Either you are applying for diploma or undergraduate, masters or PhD. This is the page that will open for you to begin your application. Then you need to come here and click login. If you have an account with them, you need to log in. If you don't have an account, you need to click create a new account. So another page will open. Let's wait. Then you need to come in and click order. Here you will need to put your email address. Here you will need to put your nationality. Then here you need to put this visual code here. Then you need to click next. Let me quickly show you. Then you choose your nationality. Enter the visual code. Then you click next. Then here you need to put your Arabic name. You can use Google to translate your name in Arabic. Then, but although it's not compulsory, but you can write your name in English. You don't need to put your name in Arabic because it's not compulsory. You can write your name in Arabic. Here you need to put your first name, your father's name, your grandfather's name, then your family name. You can put your name, the name of your father, your grandfather's name. You can put your surname here. and as well you can repeat your surname here. Then you need to choose your gender. You scroll down, then you need to put your date of birth. If you put your date of birth in Gregorian calendar, if you put your date of birth, it will put the date of Hijra here in Arabic. And then you need to provide your phone number and click next. When you click next, then a new form will open for you to fill your application. It is very straightforward because I don't want this video to be too long, so I will stop here. So guys, this is how to go about it. If you like the video, kindly click the subscription button if you have not done so. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, then you'll be notified. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye.